Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our podcast. This is Small Conversation in English for Beginners, a safe and friendly place where you can practice simple English without feeling nervous. I'm Anna, and I'm here with my co-host, Alex.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here today. If you're learning English and sometimes feel shy to speak, don't worry, you're not alone.
That's right, Alex. Many beginners think they need perfect grammar or a big vocabulary before speaking. But the truth is, small conversations are about being brave, not being perfect.
Exactly. Small conversations are the short, simple talks we have every day. For example, greeting someone, asking how they are, or talking about simple daily activities.
In today's episode, we'll guide you step by step. You will hear short conversations between only two people. The language is slow, clear, and easy to follow.
Each segment focuses on a different real-life situation. We also use different conversation titles so you don't get bored and can learn something new every time.
You don't need to write anything down right now. Just listen first. If you want, you can repeat the sentences after us later.
And remember, it's okay if you don't understand everything. Understanding grows little by little.
So, take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy learning English with us.
Let's start our first conversation example in the next segment.
All right, let's begin. Good morning.
Good morning. It's a little cold today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I didn't expect it to be this cold.
Same here. I should have brought a jacket.
Me too. Are you waiting for the city bus?
Yes, I am. I take this bus every morning for work.
Oh, really? I'm taking it to the library today.
That sounds nice. Do you go to the library often?
Not very often, but I'm trying to go more. It's quiet and I can focus there.
I understand. It's hard to focus at home sometimes.
Yes, especially when the house is noisy. Do you like your job?
It's okay. Some days are busy and some days are slow.
That sounds normal. What do you do if you don't mind me asking?
I work at a small office near the train station. I help with paperwork and emails.
That sounds interesting. Do you work with many people?
Not really. It's a small team. Only 5 people.
That's nice. Small teams feel more friendly.
Yes, I think so too. How about you? Are you a student?
No, I'm not a student anymore. I work part-time at a bookstore.
A bookstore? That must be fun.
It is. I like being around books all day. What kind of books do you like?
I like simple novels and travel books. They make me feel relaxed.
I like travel books too. They make me want to visit new places.
Me too. Even reading about places feels nice.
Oh, I think the bus is coming.
Yes, I see it. Right on time.
That's good. I don't like being late.
Same here. Well, it was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Have a good day at the library.
You too.
Hi, are you also waiting for your coffee?
Yes, I am. It's a bit crowded today.
It is. I didn't expect this place to be so busy in the morning.
Same here. I usually come later, but today I had an early meeting.
Oh, I see. Do you work nearby?
Yes, my office is just around the corner. How about you?
I work from home, but I like to start my day with coffee outside.
That sounds nice. It helps change the mood, I think.
Yes, it does. Staying at home all day can feel boring.
I understand. What kind of coffee do you usually order?
I like simple coffee, just black coffee with a little sugar.
That's a good choice. I usually order milk coffee.
Do you come to this cafe often?
Not every day, but a few times a week. The staff here are friendly.
That's important. A friendly place feels more comfortable.
Yes, I agree. Do you live far from here?
Not really. It's about a 10-minute walk.
That's convenient. Walking in the morning is good.
Yes, it helps me feel more awake. Do you like mornings?
Not very much. I'm more active in the afternoon.
I'm the opposite. I feel better in the morning.
That's interesting. Everyone has a different rhythm.
That's true. Oh, I think they're calling my name.
Yes, I heard it too. That must be your order.
Great. I hope your coffee comes soon.
Thank you. It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Have a good day.
You too. Enjoy your coffee.
Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I do. How can I help you?
I'm looking for an easy book to read in English.
Sure. Are you a beginner or intermediate learner?
I'm still a beginner. I want something simple and not too long.
That's a good idea. Simple books help build confidence.
Yes, that's what I need. Sometimes English feels hard.
That's normal. Learning a language takes time.
Do you have any recommendations?
Yes, this section is for beginners.
Oh, that's helpful. What kind of books are these?
They are short stories with simple words. Some of them also have pictures.
That sounds nice. I like stories with pictures.
Many learners do. Pictures help understand the story better.
Do you read English books too?
Yes, I do. I try to read a little every day.
That's great. Do you find it difficult?
At first, yes, but it becomes easier with practice.
I hope so.
Sometimes I feel shy to speak English.
That's okay. Everyone feels shy in the beginning.
Do you have any tips? Try to use English in small moments, like greeting people or reading signs.
That sounds simple. I think I can try that.
You're doing well already. Just by being here, you're learning.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
You're welcome. Would you like to buy this book?
Yes, I think I will. It looks easy and interesting.
Good choice. You can take it to the counter.
All right.
Thank you for your help. My pleasure. Enjoy your reading.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too.
Good evening.
Good evening. It's a nice evening, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The air feels calm today.
I agree. It's not too hot and not too cold.
That's why I like walking in the evening. It helps me relax.
Me too. I usually walk after dinner.
Do you walk here often?
Yes, almost every day. This park is close to my house.
That's convenient. I live a little farther, but I like this place.
It's worth the walk. It's quiet and peaceful.
Yes, I don't like noisy places.
Same here. Noise makes me tired.
Do you usually walk alone?
Most of the time, yes. It helps me think.
I understand. Walking alone can clear the mind.
Exactly. Do you listen to music while walking?
Sometimes, but today I want to enjoy the silence.
That's nice. Silence can be refreshing.
Yes, especially after a busy day. Today was quite long for me.
I feel that. Work days can be exhausting.
What do you do for work, if I may ask?
I work in a small shop. It's simple, but it keeps me busy.
That sounds honest and calm. Do you like it?
I do. I like meeting different people.
That's good. I work at home, so I don't meet many people.
Then walking here is a good change.
Yes, it is. It makes the evening feel special.
I agree. Oh, it's getting a bit dark.
Yes, I think I'll head home soon.
Same here. It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
You too. Have a good night.
All right, everyone. That brings us to the end of today's episode of Small Conversation in English for Beginners. Thank you so much for listening and learning with us today.
Yes, thank you for staying with us until the end. Today, you heard several simple conversations from everyday situations: waiting for a bus, ordering coffee, visiting a bookstore, and even taking an evening walk.
These conversations may sound simple, but they are very powerful. They show that English does not always need to be long or complicated.
That's right. Small conversations help you build confidence step by step. Even saying good morning or nice talking to you is already real English practice.
If you're listening to this and thinking, I can't speak like that yet, don't worry. You don't need to speak perfectly. You just need to start.
Try choosing one short sentence from today's episode. Repeat it out loud. Use it tomorrow if you can.
You can practice at home, while walking, or even while listening again to this podcast. Learning English is about making it part of your daily life.
And remember, making mistakes is okay. Mistakes mean you are learning.
We hope today's conversations made English feel a little easier and more friendly for you.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to listen to the next one. We'll continue practicing simple and useful English together.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next episode.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos. Bye for now, and keep practicing your English.